Today's video is on an alternative battery size. My old battery from Advanced Auto, it was an actual 124R AGM battery, and unfortunately I couldn't find another one specifically in the 124R size, but I went to Costco and they sell interstate batteries, and I was able to find the 24F AGM battery. It has a little more cold cranking amps, and reserve capacity, but as you can see, it still has the original battery tie down all the way down there at the bottom, holding it in place, and it's not moving anywhere. Because I know it was $180 for the AGM battery, and it was like $130 or $140 for the non-AGM battery. So I was like, well, I got to figure out which one will fit. And if you're wondering, the 24F does fit.